Welcome to part 2 of our Boulders series on choosing a boulder. Where does one begin? So you've decided to use boulders in your landscape. How do you start the process? Really, one of the most basic things to do is to get a design. Figure out what you want, where you want to put your boulders and what kind of boulders. And if you don't have any ideas, look on websites. Go to House, go to Pinterest. Take a walk at one of the local parks to see what Mother Nature has provided in terms of a natural setting. Probably the easiest thing also is to come visit the rock yard. Come see what's available with your design. Bring your design, your questions, and maybe your budget, and come visit a rock yard. You really need to touch and feel and see all the options. Feel them for texture, see them for size, shape, and color. You really want to try them on like shoes. You're going to be living with them, so take the time and effort to find what pleases you aesthetically. A couple of things to remember: group your boulders in odd numbers, as well as vary the size. You don't want to have all 1-foot boulders or all 2-foot boulders. You're never going to see that in Mother Nature. Also, you probably want to stay within a boulder family. And when I say that, I mean either by color or by texture or by shape. You probably wouldn't put a round boulder right next to a really jagged boulder, because you really don't see that very often. If you're unsure of size, there's a couple cool little things you can do. One, you can take, let's say you want a 2-foot boulder, or thinking you want a 2-foot boulder. Take a cardboard box that's about 2 foot and put that where you think you want the 2-footers. Or if you want to take a plastic bag, a black bag, and stuff it full of newspaper, you can make 3, 4, whatever size you want. Make that prototype and put it in your landscape and sort of get a feel for it. But really bring in your questions, get comfortable with the process, because once you visit the yard, you're going to be overwhelmed with the amount of options. And so it behooves us to answer the questions you bring, and then we will also have questions for you. Some of the common questions you might ask are, how am I going to get the boulders in the backyard, if it is a backyard set? And then also, how much do they weigh? A 1-foot boulder can probably weigh 80 to 100 pounds. A 2-foot boulder could be 300 to 450. A 3-foot boulder can weigh anywhere from 1,200 all the way up to 1,800, depending on length, width, and height. A couple of different caveats to remember: boulders do not grow. Water them all you want, they're not going to grow. You're going to put a 1-foot boulder next to a 1-gallon plant, and next spring you're going to be asking where that boulder's gone, because the plant will have grown over it. So take that into account, the relationship versus the size of the boulder.